Surprising. How much we talk about murder?
I love writing murder mysteries.
Serial killers and murder mystery.
Crime and crime fiction.
Crime fiction.
Crime fiction.
Stories with disabled characters.
I love poetry.
Poetry.
My current work is set in World War II.
Themes bound up in loss.
A bit of sci-fi.
Sci-fi.
A lot of urban fantasy.
Fantasy.
Themes around motherhood, sexuality, queer identity.
Being queer.
LGBTQ+.
Queer identity. Women's rights.
Feminism.
Diverse characters.
Neurodivergence.
Mental health.
A love letter to New Zealand.
What the first snowfall smells like.
Nature.
Themes of like self-discovery.
They're quite florid in style.
So many different writers who write so many different things that when you get into it, you're like, oh, this is amazing.